This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing any case or protector and physically inspecting the volume keys. Debris or a misaligned cover often causes stiffness. Next, reboot the Redmi and immediately test the buttons to see if the failure persists. If you suspect an app, boot into safe mode and try volume control again. This isolates third-party interference. Once done, make note whether the keys respond sporadically, only when pressed hard, or not at all, because that determines whether you pursue software fixes or physical cleaning. Now you handle the software side. Check MIUI for pending system updates and install them, since builds often fix input bugs. After updating, reset sound and input settings, then clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Test the volume keys after each action to track progress. If the hardware still misbehaves, enable accessibility alternatives or install a trusted button remapper to assign volume functions temporarily. These steps identify whether the problem is firmware-related and provide a usable workaround while you decide on repairs. For final fixes, you focus on safe physical maintenance. Power off the phone and use compressed air and a 90% plus isopropyl swab to remove grime around the keys. Do not force parts. If you're experienced, open the back to check and reseat the volume flex ribbon or replace the button module. Otherwise, stop and seek a technician. Once reassembled, test thoroughly. If problems persist, make sure to back up data and contact authorized Redmi service. One key tip: try a factory reset only after backing up and only if service isn't an option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.